Hey guys, good morning. Good morning to all of you. Please tell me, is audibility and visibility is working fine? There was some technical glitch when I was launching it, so it took me a little more to launch the session. So we are here to discuss about some introductory part of our batch that is Foundation 2.0. My name is Dr. Pradyumna Sharma. And I will be delivering you the paper of AFM in JIB. First of all, let's have some introductory part. I have done my PhD in commerce and some other academic credentials are also there on your screen. So when we discuss our AFM paper, we have to be very clear about our perspective, about our intention, that how things will be covered in the complete syllabus. So this particular demonstration will be all about understanding that roadmap, that how exams will be appeared. But before that, first of all, you just let me know that audibility and visibility is working fine. If audio video is working fine, I have checked it into the YouTube session, so YouTube is working fine, but in the application, let me check it. It would be great if you respond that my audio is coming perfectly and my video is also good. Everything is good, fantastic. Now, if we talk about the syllabus, first of all, if you have not joined the batch till now, I suggest you to join it through the Super Elite plan, or you can join it Foundation 2.0 directly. If you want to cover only AFM paper, then you can cover it through the master batch of the AFM. In English medium, it is available, as well as it is available in bilingual also. That is, content will be in English and discussion will be in mixture of the Hindi and English both. Now, look at our first module. The first module of our syllabus is all about basic accounting. This is all about basic accounting. And we will do this particular module at the end because in Foundation 1.0 batch, it's already completed. If you join the batch through Super Elite Plan, you have the access of Module A in a recorded mode. But if you join only through the 2.0 batch, then that Module A we will discuss live at the end of the session, like after covering Module B, Module C, and Module D, we will cover the Module A at the end of the batch. But all four modules will be covered in a live mode only. There is nothing recorded in Foundation 2.0 batch. Now, what are the key topics? So remember, first three topics of this particular batch is all about basic fundamental ground of accounting. So this is something which is very important and highly important in terms of examinations. There are so many questions from these three topics. Then next three topics is all about concept as well as some numerical perspectives also. When it comes to the numerical term in accountancy, it's all about making some journal entries, conceptual and journal entry. So journal entry is something which is available here also, and journal entry is something which is in existence in all the chapters of module A. Almost in every chapter except audit, there is a possibility of a journal entry. Then there is a combination of, see, let me hint that this particular topic and this particular topic will give you a feeling like that So very difficult one. So in the module A, these two topics you can presume are the most difficult two topics. So we will allot the time to them accordingly. Then next two topics, that is capital revenue expenditure and then bill of exchange. This is all about concept. Bill of exchange also have the probability of journal entry. Depreciation was a topic where pure numerical, like computation type of numerical is possible and not any other topic. All other topics are all about making of a journal entry, but depreciation is a topic where computational numerical will be there in your exam. Two very easy topic which is rela related to your day-to-day bank workings, that how accounting entries happen in a bank system and what transactions are handled by a bank at a back office. Then we have audit and inspection at the end. After completion of the accounting, the thing which happens, audit. So it's an important topic. Not it's not in your syllabus at a deep level. It's just at the introductory part of the bank audit. So we can put that also in a basic category. There is no numerical probability, but yes, some legal provisions we have to remember to score good marks in a bank audit topic. Then we will move to the module B, and module B will be our starting point. When we start discussing in this Foundation 2.0 batch, we will start from Module B. Module B is all about financial statements and CBS system. So CBS you guys are already working. So this is financial statement. You can call it as an advanced level of accounting. So although the name itself says that it's advanced level, but it's comparatively easy. In compared to the module A, this is very easy. So first topic in this is all about concept and numerical. There is a possibility of numerical. What type of numerical? This particular topic is all about find the impact kind of numericals. They will give you a transaction and you need to identify the impact of that transaction on the balance sheet. Then this topic is all about formats. If we remember the format, we will be easily able to score good marks in this. Then this is a combination. This is all about concept, journal entry, and some legal provisions also. And you can call it these two or the combination of these three is the most important part of module B. Is it difficult? No. But yes, obviously it will uh, require a little more effort on the part of a banker. Then a very basic and conceptual topic, that is cash flow and fund flow. This is again a topic where you have to follow the law plus some formats we have to remember. How accounts of a banking company is prepared. Then a very easy topic which you guys regularly works on, CBS system and some other terminologies and things related to computerized accounting and computerized environment, or accounting in a computerized environment, how things are happening, what certain terminologies are used in computerized accounting nowadays. Then we can call it as a most numerically the most intensive module is financial management. So first topic is all about basic and introductory. This is all about basics of finance. like scope, objective, definitions, what type of decisions to be taken by a manager. Completely formula driven topic. So formula and use of the ratio we will study. Then again, these two topics are formula driven. But this YTM topic also has some very important concepts which is directly asked in the exam and not the numericals. This is purely conceptual. There is no formula or numerical in the forex. Then capital structure is a topic where format driven calculation will be there. Format and cost of capital is all about formula. So a single topic where format as well as formula we have to remember. Then capital investment decisions is all about concept, some formula, and most importantly, decision making. How decisions are taken that you should put your money in a particular project or not. Then very easy topic, easy concept, that is lease. Working capital concept plus there is a report of a Tandon committee report for working capital. So a numerical from Tandon capital, or I must say that formula, and that numericals are based on formula. So formula driven numericals are there. Derivatives, when we talk about the derivatives, it's purely conceptual but little complex concept. So this is how module C, and module C is numerically intensive. So you can expect if a proper paper is prepared by the IIBF in that scenario, uh, that financial management part will be of numerical of at least 15 marks in your exam. It should be there. Then a easy module that is taxation and costing. So taxation is all about two topics, income tax, and only three topics are there in taxation there. Income tax, TDS, and deferred tax. Not everything related to tax is there. Only three major points and GST. Cumulatively, this is related to law. We have to remember the provisions of the law in that case. And then the costing part will be there. Costing part is the first topic is basic introductory that what is cost and all. Then this is very important topic, costing methods, that which type of industry uses which type of costing method, because costing method is something which is very subjective in nature. It depends on person to person. It depends on organization to organization. Standard costing and marginal costing. These two topics is all about again formula. And also decision making by using them is there as a part of syllabus. Budget and budgetary control is purely a conceptual topic and easy to score marks. So that if you ask priority wise from me, if you ask priority, that's a in terms of difficulty, which module is more difficult and which is less difficult. So, from the banker's perspective, you will find module C as the most difficult, then module A, then module B, and then module D. That is something that is difficulty level, top to down. But if you want scoring pattern, that which module have the highest weightage in the exam, module A, module C, module B, and module D. Because module D is small comparatively, so weightage is also small. Marks vary. So marks weight is also ACBD. That's the correct sequence for that. Tell me. First of all, if you have any doubt, any query, anything related to understanding of the syllabus, ask. Then we will talk about few more things. Tell me. If you have anything in your mind related to this, please ask. Is this okay? No, you can't say that. This is not difficult for a non-commerce background student or see, this is a subject where even commerce background student will feel comfortable only in module A. And in the module A also he will feel comfortable in some basic terminologies only because when a banker started working in a bank, they are not very much in attachment with the subject. So obviously, in my opinion, it's equally difficult for everyone. But remember one thing, if you follow the batch systematically without skipping lectures, after first 5 lectures, we will discuss again about this particular topic that is it difficult for you? And I assure you that you will tell me that no, this is things are getting good. Give me 1 second. Got it? Now, let's try to understand a little about journal entry because you have observed that journal entry is there in the module A, journal entry will be there in module B. So two modules are having reference to the journal entry. Now, when it comes to the accounting, accounts can be classified in three categories. One is real account, then personal account, then nominal account. Real account is something which means all the assets of the business. And there is a simple rule of making a journal entry. Always think from a perspective of a businessman. And if some asset is coming in your business, debit that asset. And if some asset is going out of your business, credit that asset. See, what does it mean by asset? Anything which is useful for a business, for a longer period of time, or when something is usable for multiple times for a business benefit, it is called asset, like land, building, furniture, machinery, trademarks, goodwill, patent, copyright if you have something. Let's make a journal entry from this particular example. But before going that into that, let's understand the rule for the personal account also, so that we can understand both of them together. See, when it comes to the personal account, simply people like you and me, like individuals like us, in the eyes of law, companies are also person. For our exams, we should specially mention bank is also considered as a separate person. Bank is also considered as a person when it comes to the accountancy. So if someone is receiving something, if a person is receiving, like for example, I gave you 50,000. For me, you are receiving something. If you are receiving, we will debit you. For you, I am a giver of something. For you, I am giving you 50,000, so I am a giver. We will credit the giver. Let's make a journal entry to understand it better. Machine rupees 50 lakh purchased from Raj. Let's make a journal entry of it. What was our golden rule? When asset is coming in the business. So machine is a asset, and asset is coming in the business. When asset comes in the business, we debit it. What is Raj? Raj is a personal account, and Raj is selling asset. That means Raj selling machine to me. So for me, Raj is a giver, and we will credit the giver. So for every journal entry, we need two sides. So machine will be debited. So machine account debit to Raj account 50 lakh rupees. Simple. You got it? Tell me if you have any doubt in this, anything related to this, tell me. This is making of a simple journal entry by using a real account and a personal account. Then let's understand one more golden rule related to nominal account. What does it mean by nominal account? So nominal account means routine income and expenses of business. Like for to do the business, whatever routine expenses you make, like payment of salary, wages, expenses for purchase of raw material, and whatever you earn by doing regular business, like you sell some goods, you provide some services, you work on commission basis, you are a broker in a stock markets, you are earning through brokerages. If you are earning that way, that is your regular business income. So expenses will be debited and all the income and profits will be credited. That's the simple formula for nominal accounts. Let's have an example for that also. Like rent of shop, rupees 30,000 paid through check. So rent is a nominal expenses. It's your business expenses. When it comes to the nominal expenses are debited. We have just discussed about it. Paid through the check. Check means it is paid by the bank directly from my bank account. So bank is giver because bank is a personal account. I have just told you about that. That always consider bank as a personal account because bank is a giver. We will credit it. So our journal entry will be rent account debit to bank account 30,000 rupees. Got it? Tell me. Any doubt related to that? So that's how journal entries are made. These are just two very simple examples just to give you an idea. What does it mean by a real account? What does it mean by a personal account? And what does it mean by a nominal account? We will also practice these journal entries in a bulk quantity when we discuss about the module A and the module B. So we will start AFM in the module B in the Foundation 2.0 batch from 1st of July. If you are a super elite user, I would recommend you that in the gap of these 15 days, kindly go through the recorded sessions of module A. Although I will cover the complete module A in a live classes also, but because we do have that gap of 15 days before going into the live lectures of module B, please utilize it to cover the lectures of module A from the Foundation 1.0 batch. If you do that, it will be very beneficial for all of you. You will have a double revision of module A. And believe me, module A requires that double revision. It's a kind of module for you. So we'll meet in the classes. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for having me. And if you have already enrolled, then that's fantastic. If not, you can join me through the Super Elite plan. So, Super Elite plan is the most suggested plan because then you will have the access of all the courses available related to JIB on the Oliveboard platform. You can use PDY code for subscription to have maximum discount on that. If you want to prepare only for AFM paper, you can go for the master batch of AFM in English medium. And for Foundation 2.0 batch, you can subscribe to the Foundation 2.0 batch also. So you have three options based on your requirement. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. We'll meet on 1st of July and we will start discussing about the module B. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. If you have anything in your mind, you can ask. Thank you.